Okay, cicadas, after being underground for 2 decades, they have swarmed our yard and our trees. And here's a close-up view. They just fill every spot on this tree, and they will get on you. Accidentally carried one inside. Didn't know it until I heard it. And like, here's the holes in the ground that they come out of. You see it. They are loving this tree. I think they are particular to certain trees. More particular. Like, it creeps me out and it's interesting at the same time. But definitely, I can't stand too much of this. I'm going to go back inside. But like I said, you can see they're everywhere. Let's see. Yeah, you see this tree? This tree doesn't have them like the other tree. You do prefer certain trees.